Hello family, I'm here today with a no makeup look for my brown skin and dark skin girls that have bad hyperpigmentation. You know it's hard for us, so let's get straight into it. So you want to make sure your face is prepped, cleaned and moisturized to go, and you want to make sure we're going in with the gummy for our brows and just combing it straight through. Obviously you need to make sure your eyebrows are done. If they're not, that is fine. You can just use the gummy to kind of tame it like me. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty shade stick. This is in the shade Truffle, I believe, and we're just going over the eyelids and making sure that we're kind of shaping our brows. This is just to clean it up and make sure that we're ready to go with whatever kind of powder or concealer that we're going to put on. And then we're blending it with the Real Techniques brush. This is actually the blending brush, just to kind of give it a nice skin-like look. And then this is just me priming my skin. This is with the e.l.f. primer, the Poreless Putty primer. I'll link everything in the description box. And then just to color correct the hyperpigmentation, because this is where the issue lies. This is an e.l.f. blush, actually a cream blush from e.l.f., and it's really helpful because it gives you that skin-like look and it's not too heavy on the face. Want to make sure you blend that out. Going in with the same Fenty stick, we're just going to make sure that we kind of apply it everywhere, not everywhere on the face, but kind of where the dark spots are and where coverage is needed the most. And then going to go in with a hydrating mist. I use the vitamin E from Superdrug. It's really good. Make sure that kind of dries before you start blending in with a brush. I like to use a brush because it doesn't take all the product away. You can use a sponge as well, but I prefer a brush. Make sure you get your neck, okay, and then tap tap tap. That is the best way to blend any sort of makeup. Make sure you're tapping that into your skin and not kind of just swiping it away. You can tap and then you can just kind of swipe away, but tapping is the best. I kind of pass that over my eyelids to give it a nice blend as well. And also, yeah, you can see I'm just tapping. You just got to blend your neck as well. And then I'm going in with the Kiko foundation. Now this foundation, I've had it for years, so I don't know if it's still available, but you want to make sure you get your under eyes and your T-zone, and you want to set your face with that same hydrating mist. Make sure it is dry, or you know, just a bit dry before you start blending. I'm using the same blending brush from Real Techniques to kind of just tap 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 and swipe, like I said, tap tap tap, and then you start blending with the other technique. Okay, this way it just ensures that you have a skin-like look to your makeup. Is, you know, it's just flawless, giving skin. Okay, it needs to give skin. And then I pass this over my eyelids once again to give it that blend. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder that I've had for years. I don't know why you lot are raving about it now. Yeah, this is a really good pressed powder because we don't want to set our face. We just want to have a simple no makeup look. I'm going over the bits where highlighted, and then I'm gonna go in with a bronzer to make sure that that bronzer is all set in my face. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX bronzer over the pressed powder that I had. Make sure that you're blending that out all over your face. Wherever you have highlights, make sure you blend that out so it's not too bright. And then we're gonna go in with an orange bronzer as our contour. Like, we just want our face to look natural, like it's giving skin. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my LA powder. This is like my face powder, and I'm blending everything out. Make sure you're blending out the oily parts as well, because you know we suffer with that, especially the T-zone. And then I'm just lining my lips. Okay, I overline my lips because my lips are not too big and I want them to have that look, you know, that baddie look. So I overline them and get the corners as well. And then I go in with another reddish pinkish blush, and then this is where I set your face. This is important because we need the makeup to actually, you know, stay on our face for hours. Oh, my voice went weird. And then I'm passing that over my eyes again because, as you can see, our eyelids produce a lot of oils and sweat, so you need to make sure you're setting your eyelids as much as you can, not a lot. And then yeah, we just set our face with a matte setting spray. I know people say don't do nothing, but please set your face. I'm going in with the lip injection from Too Faced, and that shit is itchy, so be careful. Don't use too much because it plumps your lips. And yeah, this is just me fixing up to present the final look. I hope you love this look. You know, you can just use it for errands. But thank you for watching, and subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you in the next video.
I don't mean to